What are your Miranda rights? Know them before it's too late. Imagine this. You're taken into police custody, and suddenly questions are being thrown at you. Do you know what to do? Do you know what to say? Or more importantly, what not to say? That's where Miranda's rights come in. Today we're diving into what they mean, how they protect you, and why knowing them could save you from serious trouble.
Miranda rights were always a thing. In fact, they only became law in 1966, after a landmark Supreme Court case, Miranda v. Arizona. Ernesto Miranda was arrested, interrogated, and confessed without being informed of his rights. His confession was thrown out because the court ruled it was taken without proper legal protections. Since then, Miranda rights have been a cornerstone of our justice system. So what exactly are Miranda rights? If you've watched the crime show, you probably heard something like this. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided for you. These rights are designed to protect you during a police interrogation by ensuring you don't unintentionally incriminate yourself. But here's the thing. Miranda rights only kicked in when two things happen. First, you are in custody, and second, you are interrogated. If the police arrest you and they don't ask you a question, they don't have to redo your rights. What if the police don't redo your Miranda rights? Does that mean your case gets automatically thrown out? No, not exactly. If the police interrogate you without informing you of your rights, anything you say in that interrogation can't be used against you in court. However, any evidence obtained independently of your statement may still be admissible. Let's clear up a few misconceptions about Miranda rights. Number one, Miranda rights are not read at the moment of the arrest, unless police begin interrogating you. Just because you're handcuffed doesn't mean you'll hear those rights right away. Number two, they only apply to custodial interrogations. If you're voluntarily talking to police and not in custody, Miranda rights do not come in play. Number three, there are exceptions, like the public safety exception. For example, if the police need to ask where a weapon is to ensure public safety, they can question you without reading you your rights. So now that you know what Miranda rights are, here are a few things you should do if you're ever in a situation where they apply. Number one is to stay calm. Number two, think clearly and state that I'm invoking my right to remain silent and I want an attorney. You have to explicitly say this to make sure your rights are protected. Number three, avoid volunteering any unnecessary information. Even casual comments can be used against you. One last tip. Don't rely on TV or movies for legal knowledge. Police procedures often work differently than what's shown on screen, so it's important to understand your rights in real life. Miranda rights are one of the most important tools for protecting yourself during a legal situation. Knowing when and how they apply could make all the difference. If you found this video helpful, please give me a like and let me know if you need any more legal tips.